next, let's proceed with our Bukidnon. Ayan. So, dito, yung ating Bukidnon, people believe in the primordial circular space or the banting surrounded by a rainbow live one-headed magbabaya, a 10-headed manaw-banaw, and winged agtayuban in their abode bulusan balugto. Okay, so this time we have the primordial circular space. Ayan. Yan, meron tayong si magbabaya, meron tayong si manaw-banaw, agtayuban, and na nakatira sa or naka-place sa bulbulusan balugdo. Yan. So this time, magbabayan made the earth from the soil scooped by agtayuban on the ground that manabanaw sat as the latter permitted. The rain that caused the rivers, sea, and eventually the plants or the lagwerta kanaan from manawbanaw saliva. And the first men from the earth with water as blood, ratan as the blood vessels, andalugong wood as bones, and Manawbanao's bloody saliva to mold it. And that's, doon nabuo yung mga ano natin from our Bukidnon people or tribes. Ayan, yung mga tao natin, yung mga naninirahan sa Bukidnon, they do believe on this kind of myth. So when magbabaya left to think of their perfection, Manawbanaw worked with the six of them as he desired, causing a disagreement between them. So which they settled with a long duel, or nag-away sila ng nagpakahaba-habang panahon, including going around the world, kalibutan 7 times. Okay, yung kalibutan, it is the world. Yun yung san kalibutan nila. Inikot daw nila yon 7 beses. Just like the 7 continents. Okay. Which only stop when magbabaya let manawbanaw finish his work, resulting in the creation of incantus or the spirit custodians, the talabugta, the soil custodian, the ibabasok, the plant custodian, bulalakaw, the water custodian, mememelig, the honey and bee custodian, and mamamahandi, the wealth custodian. Dito, yung mga custodians natin, they serve as the another priority or another sector of their living, of their life in the Bukidnon people. The bits cut from between the fingers became the fishes, from the armpits the birds, from the back the game animals, from between the legs the riding animals. Ayan, yun yung mga nabuo. From Aidan's ribs, magbabaya made woman, and among their descendants are the Manobo and Talaandig, who first needed to obtain permission and pay respect to the 6 creatures before taking anything from nature, including rituals, pamuhat, the offering and thanksgiving, and panamagtawag, the first harvest and first slice of meat. So, yun yung ginagawa nilang offerings kasi they do believe in the Bible, Holy Bible also. That's why they adopted Adan and Eve, si Adan at si Eva, in which kaya nga kulang yung mga ribs ng mga lalaki, right? I think, ayan, kasi they give it to someone para makumpleto. So, magbabaya made woman, and among their descendants are the Manobo and Talaandi. Yun. In the cool atmosphere that the 8 talabons, or the herons, created by flying over his head, magbabaya thought of creating 8 elements, tumbaga, or the bronze, bulawan, salapi, bato, gabon, ulan, putaw, and tubig. Then created earth with mixture of gold, silver, iron, and bronze to stabilize its flooring. The round sky with a bronze axle to make it rotate and cause light and darkness, and man from a loose lump of soil which the sky spirit, Miyaw-biyaw, and leavened with air of Sininwalo. It is a mixture of air, gold, and silver. from the clouds, and which a devil made portal by replacing the crumbled earth substrate with a decayed piece of wood while magbabaya was a way to ponder how to mold it. So this time, yung ating mga Bukidnon people is more on crafting. They are on mixing. On paano ba nila mafo-form or ano yung magiging result nito kapag pinag-mix ang silver, gold, and iron. And yun, nagkaroon tayo ng um, earth. Ayan, nagkaroon tayo ng mga iba't ibang something like piece of wood, like that. Nagkaroon tayo ng clouds and soil. Ayan. So, what's up mga kakotes? Megan Kuya Jen. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something from me, and let's all keep in mind that we are all surviving this pandemic, and let's all keep safe. Ayan. It's January 17, I think, or 18 to i-upload, and we are all in alert level number 3, which meron tayong panibagong virus, and that's Omicron. And yun, stay safe, stay updated, but never be a marites. Ayan, yun lang. Siguro yung lesson natin for this time is yung sa tawag doon, ang Bukidnon. So, separate pala natin to. I think January 19 to i-upload kasi this is the second part of our Panayan, Bilaan, and Bukidnon discussion kasi medyo mahaba yung sa ating Bukidnon. That's why we cannot accommodate to finish it at once. Ayan. So, I think nakaka 7 minutes na tayo, and dadaldaling ko lang kayo para matapos na ito. Ayan. So, nagtataka kayo bakit walang trivia si Kuya Jet tapos si ating ibang speakers mayroong mga trivia. It is because yung sinasabi ko is gamay ko na, and yung mga other teachers or speakers natin or other student teacher, ayan, kasi student reporters sila eh. Ayan, so they're the ones who will be reporting. So, medyo kailangan pa nilang masanay sa kuwaderknows. They're not yet confident to speak thoroughly. Kagaya nito, I am having my impromptu, kasi wala na tayong discussion. We reached the final slide, and yet, our time is not yet done. Like that, papaikutin lang natin. Ganon. So, take safe, have a good day, thank you, and God bless. Yan, tapos na.